How's it going, everybody? This is Beat the Bush. Today I'm going to show you how to fold the paper wrapping of a pair of chopsticks you get at a restaurant into a chopstick stand. First, open up your chopsticks and be careful not to tear it completely across. Just open one side of it like this and take your chopsticks out. Put it somewhere on a plate or something so the tips of your chopstick doesn't get dirty. Let's call this a plate and put it on top just like that. And we want to consider the aesthetics of your finished chopstick stand. So you want to concentrate on the logo. We got Din Tai Fung over here. Usually it might be in the middle, so you might kind of fold around the middle, but this happens to be right on the edge. So I haven't actually done this one before. And you just fold around the logo so that it would show when you're completely finished with it. And if you got this extra material here, just keep on folding. I'm just kind of folding it on top of each other until you got it all tucked in and it only shows the logo. Once you're done, you got it all sandwiched like this. Just fold it in half. Try to be even about it. And then you just crease the center. I'm gonna put my middle finger in the back and then put my thumb right in the middle and then push down on it. And you can see I made a nice crease right here. This is where your chopstick is gonna go. If you're in a hurry and the food comes already, well, you can just use this as this. Put your chopsticks down. Well, I gotta open it up, right? And put the chopsticks down and you're ready to go. But in this case, let's say you keep on talking and you want something to fiddle with your hand. Well, you can do level 2, which is to put the corner here, fold it into like a triangle in the corner, like so. It like adds like a little flair to it, right? And then you turn around and do the same thing. To really finish it off, you just kind of pinch it and it really puts a nice crease on there. And now you got something that looks even better than before. Put the chopsticks on and that would be called level 2. So if you want to go even further, this is what I would do. Just fold in the edge here the most. And then you want to taper all the way to almost like a point over here. Like that. And then you do the same thing on the other side. Flip it over. You start in the middle and fold it to a point on the edge. Fold it to a point on the edge. And we can see it's starting to form a bridge, right? But the thing is, if it's a bridge, you can see this little bit that's sticking out. That doesn't look very nice, right? So let's fold this back up. Like so. You fold it back up and then pinch it together. And you can see now the little overhang thing underneath disappeared. You can see it's still over here on this side. So let's just fold this side too. Sometimes you might want to use your fingernail to make those nice creases at the corners. And then you just kind of pinch it together. Now you have what I call the level 3. This is the ultimate chopstick stand. This is as good as I can get it. You know, if you're still talking and the food hasn't come, all you can do is just set this down, put your chopstick on it and just wait. If you look at the bottom, you see now it's formed a nice bridge. It's like a little arch across. Some of the chopstick holders that you can buy actually looks like this. And then when you put your chopsticks on top, it holds it, of course, and it keeps the tip of your chopsticks from touching the unsanitary table if you happen to be eating at a restaurant anywhere. And at the same time here, if you want to face it outwards, then people can see, oh, this is the logo. It says Din Tai Fung. Or you can just face it toward yourself, right? This is you this way. And you can put your chopsticks like this and see that, yes, you are eating at Din Tai Fung. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and next time you go out to eat, don't forget to fold one of these and keep your chopsticks clean. Don't forget to give me a like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.